Okay, my people. Okay, wow. The snow plower do not come as yet. Look at the street. I'm going to the store. It's not far away from where I live in. Here is my Qashqai. Wow. Here is my Qashqai. I'm not going to drive. Yes, I am not going to drive. I'm just going to walk. I know for walking it was about like 10 minutes walking from where I live in or so. Oh my goodness, look at that car. Look at that vehicle. That's why you see I am not going to drive. Wow, I am going to walk. Wow, look at the street. Ooh. Look at that vehicle. Oh, I think ooh, I don't understand. Snow blower is not here as yet. Oh my goodness, the wind. Guys, the wind. Ooh. No. Turn back. Woo. The snow is. I am going to turn back. Look at that vehicle. I think maybe I turn back because. Oh, let me see. Could go. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh my goodness. Guys, I almost turned back. I almost turned back because this snow come way up to my boots like it didn't want to get in my boots. Look at that vehicle. Oof. This is how it is. Oh my goodness. Oh. I don't know if I should continue to go or should turn back. Oh. They don't come to clear over the pathway as yet over there for me to walk. So I'm walking over here. Over here where the cyclists ride. Guys, to be honest with you, I do not walk in a snow for a few years. Yes. Oh. But I don't know what happened. I said I am walking today. This store right over there. I go in. Okay. Maybe I should have did walk around. Nope. Alright. This seems like it's too deep. I'm not going to walk here. I'm going to walk around. I was taking shortcut, but I think it's too deep. So I turning back. Guys, you hear how I'm breathing? Yes, I'm turning back. Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh. All right. Oh, I'm not going to come out here for a good while, trust me. I will be driving. Yes, I will be driving. Oh. Guys, the first time I come to Canada, oh my God, I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait for the snow. I couldn't wait for the snow. And when the snow fall, when the snow came, my daughter went, my daughter go into the snow and she was acting like she was on the beach. She was in the water. Yes. Oh my goodness.